Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Use 2 cups dried beans and soak them in cold water for 8 hours or overnight so the skins soften and cooking time shortens. Rinse and drain beans after soaking, then inspect for debris or split beans and discard any that look bad. Prepare 4 cups vegetable stock and 1 tablespoon olive oil to start the base. Measure 1 tsp salt separately and chop 1 medium onion, 3 cloves garlic, and 1 carrot for the aromatics. Sauté 1 medium onion, 3 cloves garlic, and 1 carrot in 1 tablespoon olive oil until soft and translucent, about 6 to 8 minutes, stirring so nothing browns too quickly. Add 1 tsp smoked paprika, 1 tsp cumin, and 1 bay leaf to bloom the spices for 30 seconds before adding liquids. You can add 1 diced tomato or 2 tablespoon tomato paste for acidity. Pour in 4 cups stock and simmer beans gently, partially covered, for 60 to 90 minutes until tender. Adjust salt to taste, typically about 1 tsp salt for the pot, and add 2 tablespoon lemon juice or 1 tablespoon vinegar to brighten flavors at the end. Taste before adding more. For thicker stew, mash 1 cup of cooked beans against the pot side or simmer, uncovered 10 minutes to reduce liquid, then stir in 2 handfuls of chopped greens if desired. Serve with chopped parsley, 2 tablespoon olive oil drizzle, and crusty bread or rice. The recipe yields serves 4 to 6.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.